Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. Welcome back. You guys are here for the Hanna Bralette. It is... No, let's talk about it first. The Hanna Bralette is a pattern by Studio Costura. And I bought it on Etsy as a PDF pattern. It was €10 and 79 cents. The pattern is described as a soft cup bralette made with stretch lace and underlined knit fabric. The neckline has beautiful scallops and a scallop edge and lace detail. You could make it out of various different fabric, and you can check out the blog that I'll put in the description box, that it will take you over there and it will show you like different fabrics that you can use. Every fabric has like just a minor alteration, but it's definitely a really friendly bralette to, get your feet wet. The supplies are a stretch lace. You need a knit fabric as a lining, but you can also use mesh lining. You need Pico elastic, which is this type of elastic. You have a pico edge and a plush inside. You also need clear elastic, that is this right here. And let's see, and strap elastic. Oh, well, I can show you the strap. And this is then the strap elastic. The sizing goes from extra small to extra large and cup A to D. And for me, I used a little bit of fold over elastic, but I'll show you. I want to keep you a little while longer before you see her. Okay, I made an extra small and cup B, AB. 23 steps to success, people. 23. The sewing instructions are really, really good. And I know two things that I really liked about the sewing instruction. One, it has a special section with common problems, but also solutions. I feel like that is like a really nice touch. It gives you extra value. And then the other thing that I liked is that if you have a computerized sewing machine, it gives you the width and the length of the zigzag stitch. So it's nice that you have that option. So those two are the ones that really stood out to me. Let me show you. This is her. I mean, isn't she lovely? Okay. The only thing that I did wrong was the hook and eye should be the other way around. So the hook has to be on this side and the eye has to be on that side. Perfection is overrated. What I really like is the inside. This is the mesh that I used, the mesh fabric instead of the knit fabric. And you see the pico elastic right here. You see the strap elastic. I did some top stitching. The instruction does indicate that you need to do top stitching right in the cup as well as on the side seams and in the center front. The clear elastic is right here along the edge, the scallop edge. I used my overlocker just for the cups and the sides. I do like that finish better, but in the center, in the middle right here, it just tells you that you have to use a straight stitch right here to stitch them together. So I didn't use my overlocker there for the outer, for the lace, but I did use it for my lining. I finished my lining off. You can finish your lining with a lock stitch, but you can also finish it with, I finished it with some fold over elastic. And then because everything is stuck to each other with top stitching, that's what I did. And that's what you can see on the inside. I'll take some pictures so you can see it more in detail, but this is beautiful. I'm very, very happy with the result. So I think the only thing that I did what I like from the Darcy is that I make sure that when I put the strap elastic, I do the first round of the scallop, which is sewing it the right sides together, and then you have to turn it inside for the plush side to be against your body, and that's when I put the strap in there and then sew it. And that's it, you guys. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. You have a great day. Bye.